How to fix, please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can fix the problem where it says contact iTunes supports to complete this transaction. But before we do that, make sure to hit like, share and subscribe on this video. Let's begin. First thing you want to do is open up your web browser and go to support.apple.com. So basically what the error is telling you is to contact the iTunes support team. So let's see how you can contact them. Once you get to the support website, choose your device. If you're using iPhone, Mac, or iPad, I'm just going to select iPhone here. Then you just have to scroll all the way to the bottom until you see Get Support. Once you get here, tap on Start Now. And once you tap on it, here you will be asked to what's going on. So from here, what you want to do is go ahead and tap on more. And once you tap on it, you will find different options here. You just want to go ahead and find iTunes stores right here. Tap on it and it will take you to the iTunes stores support website. Tap on continue, and here are some of the related articles that might help you that you can read. And if you tap on show more, it will show you more of these articles. But what you basically want to do is here you will get a call option. Just tap on it and it will show you two numbers. You just want to tap on the numbers and call them, or if you don't want to call them, you can just type in your message as a text and they will get back to you on your number. And after that, your problem should be fixed. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one.